Okay, my name is Ezeanyim Okechukwu Anthony from Department of Electrical Engineering in University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I love this course, electrical engineering. I choose to do it because I love electrical work. Even when I'm small, like I used to do all this. I used to scatter my parents used to all their musical stuff. I used to scatter it and try to fix it back on my own. And by the grace of God, I get to an extent I will also do it very well. So that's why I choose this course. Then aside from my course, I also love dancing. I love singing music. But my professional now come to entertainment level. I'm an artist, like musical artist. So I love dancing because dance gives me joy. And it's another way of me doing exercise. You understand? So then come to my musical stuff. I'm an artist known by the stage name Kid. I choose that name because I love giving out many messages from my musical stuff. Then I have done a lot of songs out there. Maybe if I'm permitted to sing anyone, I can voice one of them. Yeah. Okay, this one go like this. Oh, Nikoko, Oluwawaya Mayaza. Me, I know I'm beg rubber, cause I still love my mama. I know if I go buy Benz. Make it wire Mayaza. I know I'm do Jojo. Oluwa answer my prayer. Every night and day, everybody pray, make Oluwa no forsake us. As we dey hustle for the rubber, he go come, believe in yourself, say, he go come, not turn by turn, brother, wait for your time, person there in front to door, make you jump and pass. I say, make you jump and pass. Okay, then tell me what you get. If you don't make money, can't lose to heaven. No, you be rich, you dey poor, you know rich, you carry sand, they put for you another man carry. Now your own party carry na betuka for body. Tell me why fire no go burn them. Anybody will go put us on the burn them. And last money go come, amen. Oh, go there, oh, Nikoko. Yeah, this song, I did this song because of things that has been happening. A lot of people, Benz and all this, everybody wants to get money. Some even goes at the point they want to use their parents. But me, like the way it is, I believe in God, because the situation we are in this Nigeria, money is the problem. That's the meaning of Nikoko. And everybody is begging for the rubber. But for me, I will not use my mama. If I now use her, who will enjoy the money? So that is. I also have other songs, It's not only motivational songs that I have. But I think I have to stop here. Thank you.